5 best free Wix plugins. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you the best plugins, the best apps that you can add into your website on Wix.com. Okay, so if you want to start using the Wix website and you don't really know how to create a website by your own using the templates, you can see the video in my channel. I have already made couple of those how to create a website, and then you see this dashboard. As you can see, I have already made couple of websites as an example, and I'm going to show you the plugins, the apps is an example of my shop of custom decks. So as you can see, deckmasterhub.com, and all you need to do is to check this one. Here you see a dashboard of your website, and you need to go to the apps and then to the app market. Okay, so here you see all the apps that are currently available for your Wix website, but I'm going to show you a couple of those, only the best ones. So recommended for you, it's not really for me, but the best Wix plugins that I have seen is the map and store locator. So what does it do? I'm going to show you. So this app easily add a map and a store locator to your Wix website, so you can easily add a map of the location of your shop, and this map is going to be colorful. It's going to you can edit it in easy way. It looks perfect with the Wix website editor, and it's free to use. The best thing about it. So there are a lot of good reviews, 4.2 average rating of this app. So it's made not by Wix, by the Power, but it's a good company. Okay guys, so this one is the great app to use, and I'm going to show you the next in seconds. So the next app that would be recommended added into your website is the Wix members area. So what does it do is it creates a login page for your Wix website, and if you don't know how to create a login page for your website, I have a video on my channel too, so be safe to see it. Okay, so member and account profile info. So what it does, it creates this login page for your members, for your new members, a sign up page, and a login page for your currently members. So here you just edit all the things that you want to be seen about your users, and it's really cool app to use. Okay, so let's hit to the third one. Just go back to the apps market, and I'm going to show you the third one. Okay, so the next thing is really cool for people who are using the drop shipping, who are selling some products, and this is an app to connect a model list into your website. So you can design and create custom products to sell online. Here it's a drop for a drop shipping, as you know, the model list website. So you can choose from thousands of vetted drop shipping suppliers with high quality products and reliable order fulfillment. So in order not to read everything right here, I'm going to say by myself. So this app is adding a model list into your website, so you can easily sell products in the Wix website using the model list web, and sell dropshipping products easily and make money on it. So this app is currently have 4.4 average rating. It's really high, as you have seen the previous the first app had the only 4.1. So this one is pretty cool, and it's also free. it have a free plan. And let's get back to the apps market. So right now I'm going to show you another app. It's going to be right here. It's for the restaurants, and Wix have an additional app for the restaurants to add their menu and create a design for your menu right into the website editor. So this one is going to going to be offered to design menus that look great on all devices. You can customize and scale it up, scale it down for you to be free. So the Wix have already in suite of the editor page, it have the restaurant menus editor, but this app is currently the best opportunity for the restaurants because there are a lot of designing solutions and opportunities. So this app I would recommend too. Okay, and the last app I'm going to show you in seconds. Just hit back to the app market home, and the next app is called one second, where it is. So okay, so I would recommend this app too. It's called the Wix QR code. Oh no, it's by market push apps. So this app is currently have only one opportunity, but it's really cool. Right now every website have a QR codes. So this app just add you can easily generate in the app QR code right into your website. So it's a good opportunity to have a dynamic content integration. So it enables site owners to generate QR codes that link directly to the current page or any custom URL or the text. So this feature offers the flexibility to connect visitors with various site sections or external resources, enhancing engagement and interactivity without explicitly mentioning the platform. So this app currently have only one language, English, but I don't know if this is going to be a problem. But I have used this app many times and I really like it. It have a 7-day free trial. It's not for free, but it's going to enhance engagement into your website, and it's really cool. Okay guys, so I have shown you the 5 best apps for the Wix website. As you can see, the app market have a lot of opportunities, a lot of apps that could be edited, and you can see it by yourself. There are a lot of things to add into your website. So guys, if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.